Hey guys, good morning. This is Dawal here, and you are watching KD Architect. So, welcome to KD Architect. So, I hope you have been learning the Revit software through our tutorials. If you really like our tutorials, please leave a like and subscribe our channel. In this tutorial, I'll talk about Revit wood cladding material. In this video, I'll be creating the Revit material and I'll show you how you guys can set up the particular 4-inch wood cladding or 6-inch wood cladding in the Revit. So in the realistic, you will see that you have particular 4-inch wood cladding eventually. So I'll show you step by step tutorial in this video. So for the better understanding, keep watching till end. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have 3D view and currently we have brick material on the walls. So first of all, we'll create one material. So before that, just you need to download or you need to make the particular texture image. So once you have a particular texture image of a wood cladding, then you can create the material. So now I have already wood texture material and now I'll show you how to create wood cladding material. So first of all, here you will find manage tab and yahan se here you will find material. Okay, click on that and now here you will find this kind of interface. Now over here, just find this kind of symbol, create and duplicate materials. So click on that and over here you will find create new material. Now here we have created new material. Now do the right click and create the rename. Now over here we'll assign the name wood cladding like that. Okay, so we have created material. So if you see, let me click this one. Okay. Now let me search wood cladding again. Wood cladding. So if you see, we have material, but we don't have any kind of, you can say shading or any surface pattern or any appearance over here. So in the appearance tab here, we'll upload the image and first of all, let me click on that and here you will find, let me search image. Okay, I have saved the image over here, wood cladding and let me click on the open. Okay. So here you will find we have uploaded the image. But now after that we need to scale or set up the wood cladding. So over here just click on the image. Now here you will find text editor. If you see now here you will find scale, position, repeat, etc. So in the repeat you can keep tile and over here will scale the image. Now let me explain how you guys can create particular 4-inch wood siding. So first of all, just count the number of siding or you can say wood cladding slates in the 1 feet distance. If you see यहाँ पे जो highlight distance है उसके अंदर how many wood slates are available, just count. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it's a 9 number of wood slate over here. So total you can say the total will be 36 if we are considering 4-inch wood slates. Okay, so over here we are adding the in the width, you can say this one is our width, this one is our height. So in the width, let's before that just do uncheck over here and over here just enter the you can say let's add 10 feet over here. So over here we'll add 10 feet. Okay, we have added 10 feet and in the height, as I said, uh, it will be 36 inch. So each wood slate will be, you can say 4-inch. So if you see, we have added 36 and over here, length is 10 feet and now click on the done. And now we have successfully scaled the image and Now go to graphics over here and click on the use render appearance. So जो भी RGB यहाँ पे इन द रियलिस्टिक मटेरियल इमेज में होगा वो यहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिकली पिक कर लेगा. सो यूजुअली जस्ट यूज this option, just check it, use render appearance, and now click on the OK. Now we have created the you can say wood cladding material. Just one thing we missed. Let me do it again. Okay. Over here in the surface pattern, we haven't applied any kind of pattern. Let me assign one. And over here, just go to model over here. And over here, let me assign horizontal. Okay, that's one. Fine. Okay. Click on the OK and again click on the OK. Now, let me show you the material, how it will look. So, go to wall and go to edit type, go to edit, and over here, let me assign wood cladding material. So, let's search wood cladding material. Okay, click on that and click on OK. And again, click on the OK. Again, click on the OK. So, now if you see, we have neat and clean wood siding. You can say wood cladding material having wood slat of 4-inch thickness. You can say width of the slat will be 4 inch. Let me show you in the elevation. Let's go south elevation. And now here we'll use this option temporary. And now let me change to over here fine view, and over here we'll use realistic. And now let me measure one over here. Let me use measure tool and let me measure the you can say the distance of you can say width of the one wood cladding. If you see it's a nearby 3 by 4, or it's a nearby 4 inch, you can say. So like this way you can show the realistic material of wood cladding having 4-inch wood slate or 6-inch wood slate. So this is how you can create this kind of wood cladding material with the exact width of the wood cladding slat. So this is the process, and I hope you like this video and tutorial. So if you really like our tutorial, please leave a like and share it with your friends. So wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.